The Indian Ocean is the world's third largest ocean. The Indian Ocean region comprises the states whose shores are washed by the waters of Indian Ocean. The region is home to about 2 billion people. It is a region of much cultural diversity and richness in languages, religions, traditions, arts, and cuisines. The region is woven together by trade routes and commands control of major sea lanes.
Indian Ocean is the most important region today in the world. Half of the world's trade happens through this region. India has historically strong trade and people-to-people contact with a number of countries in the region.
As the gravity of the world economy shifts towards the Indo-Pacific, and I've seen this happening over the last 2 decades and now increasingly so, countries of this region, particularly the Indian Ocean region, have to develop their own mechanisms for increased cooperation and, more important, conflict avoidance.
The safety, security, stability and peace in this region is crucial. We do not seek any exclusive role. We wish to work with partnership with others. And this entire conference is going to be based on how we can all work together cooperatively. This conference we are organizing is an inclusive conference, bringing together everybody. Nobody is excluded.
This particular conference is intended to bring together all the Indian Ocean region powers and powers that have stakes in the region, including countries like USA, France, Japan, Australia.
Conference is about dialogue. Conference about listening to the others, not simply talking. Conference is about finding out what friends are saying, what views they have, what positions they have. Conference is about finding what is common and discovering what is good for everyone.
This conference is a platform for all major regional players to converge and deliberate on a wide range of issues. This conference will have pre-conference workshops followed by plenary sessions on theme of 3 C's: committee, commerce and culture.
Through his call for an early blue revolution and his purposeful visits to Indian Ocean region countries, Prime Minister Narendra Modi has manifested New Delhi's credible commitment to work with sovereign peers in a spirit of collaboration, partnership and concert to reap the fullest potential of the maritime space.
This conference will not only focus on the regional maritime security and economic development, but will also strive to broaden the discourse on emerging synergies of the Indian Ocean region. I wish this conference a great success.